तो गाइस कल OnePlus 70 सीरीज को लॉन्च कर चुकी है, इंक्लूडिंग OnePlus 70 Pro Mclaren एडिशन, और ये हैं उसके कुछ हाइलाइट्स। वीडियो को एंड तक देखना ताकि आपको हर चीज़ के बारे में पता चल सके।
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage the co-founder of OnePlus, Carl Pei.
Good to be here in London. I see a lot of familiar faces today from our community, our partners, and also from the media. Welcome to you all. First, I want to talk about Oxygen OS, the operating system that powers our products. Oxygen OS has remained the top smartphone operating system for 3 years in a row. Thank you. So it's safe to say people love Oxygen OS. But at OnePlus, we want to make quality products that stand the test of time and are committed to updating our older devices so you can enjoy them for longer. So I'm proud to announce that we'll be shipping Oxygen OS 10, based on Android 10, to devices going back as far as the OnePlus 5. And now, I'd like to invite Akis up on stage to tell you all about the OnePlus 70 series.
No. Most of you have already heard about our new flagship in the last couple of weeks. But we are incredibly proud of it. So I would like to take this opportunity to tell you more about it. This is it, the OnePlus 70. And I'm happy to announce that it will officially launch here in Europe on October 17th. So as you know, we are here to talk about the OnePlus 70 series. So naturally, there's going to be a Pro version, right? I mean, who can forget the OnePlus 7 Pro? After all, it's arguably the finest smartphone around, and at this very moment in time. Praise has pretty much been universal. Here is just one quote that sums up the OnePlus 7 Pro just perfectly. From my man Lewis of Unbox Therapy. The OnePlus 7 Pro is the best smartphone overall. But at OnePlus, as you know, we never settle. And I'm happy to tell you that the OnePlus 7 Pro is also getting an upgrade. Because as incredible as the OnePlus 7 Pro is, there is always room for improvement. It goes at the heart of what we do. Not necessarily striving for perfection, but to continuously make things better. That's what Never Settle is all about. So, without further ado, this is the OnePlus 70 Pro. So first, the OnePlus 70 Pro has all the advanced features of the OnePlus 7 Pro. including the QHD Plus curved 90 Hz with display, a screen that you can't go back once you use it. And it's also borderless, thanks to the coolest and toughest pop-up camera. Remember this strength test we did with the 23-kilo concrete block. So let's take a look at the specs. To remain on top of the smartphone game, the OnePlus 17 Pro now boasts the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus platform, backed up with 8 GB of RAM and a 256 gigs of UFC 3.0 onboard storage. Boom, UFS. Here is your performance beast and your ultimate gaming companion. We also now have an improved battery of 4,085 mAh, and the charging speed is now even faster with Warp Charge 30T and 23% faster, to be precise. And on top of that, we're introducing all the awesome features we presented before, like macro shooting, wide-angle video recording, and super video stabilization. But we aren't quite done yet. There is one more thing about the OnePlus 17 Pro. And please, to tell you all about it, welcome Kate to the stage.
Hey guys, let's take it up a gear. Today, we'll be taking speed, design, and smoothness to another level. The phone that we're about to unveil is the vision of OnePlus, inspired by our partnership with McLaren. A relationship that has quite simply gone from strength to strength. Without a doubt, McLaren is the car of choice for drivers across the globe, and OnePlus is the phone for fans of technology. And as many of you know, in December last year, we showed the OnePlus 6T McLaren Racing Edition, the first partnership of its kind for OnePlus. I know you guys loved it, but I think this one is going to top it. Let's take a look.
OnePlus and McLaren entered into this partnership to create a premium device by pushing design and performance.
The OnePlus phone is for people who know.
Well, the design mission for us in the studio is to build breathtaking products that tell the visual story of their function.
We always use the top-of-the-line specs in our McLaren edition. The startup process of the phone to sort of like startup of a car.
And the pattern on the back, it's using the same pattern on some of our cars.
Bruce McLaren chose the Pyre Orange over 50 years ago, and that color now comes through in the product.
This is the OnePlus 17 Pro McLaren edition.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage the founder and CEO of OnePlus, Pete Lau, and the CEO of McLaren Automotive, Mike Fluitt.
This is the OnePlus 17 Pro McLaren edition. It's beautiful, but check this out. Let's take a close up. Very cool. It's the coolest case we have ever made. Perfect. Perfect. Beautiful. So, OnePlus has always focused on fast and smooth, and then this partnership has taken it to another level. We're proud of this partnership and the opportunity to work together in pushing the image of the design, performance, and the technology.
So this limited edition device celebrates both brands' relentless pursuit of excellence, pioneering technology, and purposeful design, all to bring you the very best of smartphone performance. For us, We think this can be broken down into 4 simple things: courage, consideration, commitment, and confidence. So firstly, courage. Both OnePlus and McLaren began our journeys by being fearless. We jump-started our ambition. We challenged ourselves to do things that had never been done before and set new standards along the way. And it's in this spirit that the OnePlus 7T Pro Mclaren Edition pushes the limits of hardware, software, and design. So, 90 Hz display, super fast, smooth like never before, and ultra responsive to the touch, just like a supercar. But let's take a look under the hood. The very latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, meaning foot on the gas performance and 15% faster graphics. 12 gigabytes of RAM, yes, that's right. And 256 gigs of storage. That's a lot of storage in the boot. And so the design. McLaren's incredible supercars use a state-of-the-art composite material. For McLaren, put simply, weight and excess are the enemies of performance. And it's small changes and McLaren's attentions to detail that is true of the spirit of how OnePlus designs our phones. And we were so impressed with McLaren Automotive's ethos that we've applied it to the design of the OnePlus 7T Pro Mclaren Edition. And we also have a streamlined user interface, which is modeled on the dashboard, and exclusive live wallpapers, and hints of papaya orange that go throughout the whole device. Great. So there you have it, guys, the OnePlus 7T Pro Mclaren Edition, brought to you, yes, with courage. That's great. But yeah, brought to you with courage, consideration, commitment, and confidence. And so now, I'm going to hand back to Carl.
Thank you, Kate. We're nearing the end of tonight's presentation. There's a couple of things that I want to mention before we wrap up. At OnePlus, we're big fans of gaming and PUBG. So we're delighted to make gaming even better with the announcement of a partnership with PUBG Mobile. This hugely popular mobile game has captivated the hearts of millions of users worldwide. And with this partnership, we'll see an optimized gaming experience on OnePlus devices, making our phones the ultimate companion for your chicken dinner. We also frequently host gaming nights together with our community, where we play PUBG together. So with this partnership, we're looking forward to taking that even further. All right, so today we announced a couple of new products. We got the OnePlus 7T with our industry-leading 90 Hz fluid display, superior performance, and an all-new triple camera. We have the OnePlus 7T Pro, which is a true no-compromise flagship with a 2K 90 Hz full-screen fluid display for those who want the very best. And we also announced the OnePlus 7T Pro Mclaren Edition, featuring a unique design, signature McLaren materials, and an uncompromising 12 gigs of memory. We also updated... Thank you. We've also updated the Bullets Wireless 2 in a new stylish olive green color. Yay. Thank you. And now, for the moment we've been waiting for, what's all this going to cost? The OnePlus 7T will start at £549. The OnePlus 7T Pro, $699. The 7T Pro Mclaren Edition, $799. Whereas the Bullets Wireless 2 remain unchanged at $99. The OnePlus 7T series will go on sale starting October 17th, and the Mclaren edition will be available starting November 5th from our partners and also OnePlus.com. Finally, we'll be hosting pop-up events in the following European cities at these dates, together with our retail partners and Google. Pop-up events are a great way to celebrate the launch of a new device together with the OnePlus team, and it's also an exclusive opportunity for you guys to be the first to try and buy a new device. So we hope to see you there. So visit OnePlus.com for more information. And now, we're nearing the end of this event. I'd like to thank everybody who launched the OnePlus 7T series together with us, whether you're watching us online or you're here with us tonight. For those of you who are here, let's go and check out the new phones together.